Traders, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you here back to our channel. I'm Simon Gunn, and today is Sunday. Today is Sunday evening here, ladies and gentlemen, and we're approaching 6:30, and we're now opening our session here, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the end of the month, traders. End of the month today, and you can say the end of the month was yesterday, but today is a new month, so we need to start with our recap, traders. But before we go there, I want to welcome those in French. Our channel is bilingual. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Simon Gunn et aujourd'hui c'est dimanche le 1er juin. Trader, nous sommes très heureux d'être ici une fois de plus, comme d'habitude, et nous allons commencer notre nouvelle section qui va débuter dans quelques temps, et il est 19h passé de 28 minutes, si j'ai bonne mémoire. Voilà, ici. Alors, nous allons commencer notre session. Comme d'habitude, comme la fin du mois, c'est aujourd'hui, nous allons avoir la récapitulation de la semaine, du mois, je vous l'ai dit, y compris de la semaine. Chers traders. So, trader, we have to start with our recap. Monthly recap, trader. So, I need to place our monthly recap here. We need to see what we have done so far. Before we go there, trader, I want to remind you guys that trading is difficult and most traders lose money. And we need, since we are on the training section, we're learning here. We're not making money yet. We beg you guys to trade with a demo account. You got to trade with a demo account, and it will help you to not lose a lot of money. I mean, real money. Or we also encourage you, if you have to use money, you got to be a very tiny account, trader. So today, before we go there, I wanted to remind you also that we made some improvement here. Some update. We have a new microphone we're testing right now, and you guys cannot maybe see the microphone because it's a small tiny microphone, and hopefully he got to be more powerful than the one we had. So we hope that you guys are hearing me very, very well. Otherwise, you can let me know if you don't hear me, so that we can improve. So today, we have some improvement. As you can see, also, I get myself a very nice chair. As you can see here at my back, I have because I'm having problem also to sit for long. Our trading, the way we trade, it takes time to wait for a trade to come to you, or sometimes to be patient. So it's important to have a very good chair. That chair can help you to be more comfortable. So we got one here, and we're going to improve our channel slowly. And you can see here we have a very nice green background. It's not a paint, but I just put some kind of texture here. It's okay for the moment. So we are moving a little bit, improving our channel a little bit. We got a note here that we are not yet making money on trading, so those money are coming from somewhere else. I've been trading for a long time, but I can't tell you that I already start enjoying the payment of my work. But I know one day we'll get there. Trader. So today we are going to start with the monthly recap, trader. Let me go to the monthly recap here. This is our monthly recap, trader. We gotta see overall. I gotta take the monthly. This is the from the year. This year. Okay. Let me see from yesterday, June. Let's go to May. May 1st to 31st. All right. So this is what approximately I lost this month, trader, overall. You can see that it's not a big amount. It's $65 from this month, from May 1st to the 31st. So what we got, we're not focusing ourselves here on the dollar amount, trader. We need to focus ourselves on the number. You know, it's not the dollar amount. The number help us to know that we went up or we went down. But overall, I am down, as you can see, $65. The reason I'm down here, we're going to talk about it. But what I want to draw attention here is that I'm encouraging you guys to trade with a small, because this is the real money. This one is the real money. And now I was able just to lose that tiny amount of money, which is great. You can see here how my metric shows. If you see here at the bottom, this is my metrics, traders. We understand that I have a drawdown, and this is my winners here on top. Let's go now to our calendar here. You're going to see our calendar. I'll show you. This is the month of May, as you can see here, traders. The month of May. This is May 2025. So our calendar here show that we had something like 6, 7, 8, 9 losing days. We have 9 losing days here, trader, versus how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 9 losing day versus 14 winning days. But if we have 9 losing day versus 14 losing day, 9 losing day versus 14 winning day, what does that mean? It means that the time we were right more than the time was wrong, traders. The time was right better than the time was wrong. But the overall market, overall gain, we finally are down. We're down here to $65 down overall. And you can see here our daily net curve, our cumulative P&L. We start here, we went a little bit down and we went up and we dipped down, and we came up again a little bit higher, and now we went back down. So this is what I used to tell you guys, that you have to trade with demo account or the small money. Years ago, if I can say that, years ago, I didn't understand this, that you have to trade with a small amount when you're learning. I don't understand that. And as a result, I was losing a lot of money monthly. Today, I just lost, as you can see, I lost a tiny amount of money, which is great because I have also a money management, which I implemented in my trade. But apart from that, imagine that this $65 could have been $650, or it could have been $6,500 or 65 or 65,000. What could we do? That is a huge amount of money, and it's very simple to get there. It's very simple. You just need to take more unit, or if it's the stock market, you take more shares. You're going to get there, trader. You're going to get there. So that is what is important. Why it's important to take a small quantity, because those quantity will not affect your daily life. That will not affect it. That is the result. You see that? And in my calendar here, if you're going to check it, you will see that May the 1st, I made $7, and the 4th, because this was a Thursday, and the 4th, I lost $16. Then I made $9, I made $11, I made $2, I made $1, I made $3, $11. That is what I've been making. Small. That is what I've been making, trader. Losing small, making small, losing small, making small, losing small. And overall, I came up, with this balance. You understand what is important? That is important to trade small. Overall, during this month, I was having 51.24% win ratio. That is overall in the month. But my daily win ratio is here 60.87 daily, which is not bad. Even this 51% is not bad. What I just need to do is what? I just need to take my losses down, to reduce my losses. To not holding my losses too much, but reduce it. If we go here to check our report, here you'll see our curve. We went up a little bit, went up, went down here, went back up, and went down. And you can see that average hold time, I have 22 minutes. And average PNL here, and average plan multiple, R is 2.1 R, which is not bad. Large loss, I have this $5.18. Average trade win and loss 0.81, and trade expectancy, I have this, and my average drawdown is huge because it's $3. That is the amount of money I lost during one day trade. So I need to work on that, because you see here my large profit net is $3.59, and my average daily net PNL 2 something. So, and when we go here, our daily, our report, let's say the overview here, you're going to see that the time I'm holding the trade, average holding trade is at 22 minutes. But when it's about holding the winning trade, I hold a winning trade 25 minutes, which is great. But the losing trade, I hold it 18 minutes. So I've been working on my losing trade to hold them less and less, because that was our goal last time. We work on it. It's good. Now we have 18 minutes. We hold our losing trade, which is great, trader. It's very, very, very nice. We go in there. We'll work on it to keep reducing this time, and we also have to work to reduce our loss, our losses, because we shouldn't have this kind of drawdown in one day. That is what affected our trading, because now it made us to be down $65, and that $65 is exactly what we lost here that day, which is not good. So if I repeat myself in French, je disais que ça c'est l'ensemble de ce que j'ai pu faire durant le mois, des analyses, de ce que j'ai pu faire, ou le résultat, ce que j'ai fait le mois de mai. Ça, c'est ce que j'ai perdu en totalité. Et ça nous amène à comprendre qu'il est très important d'utiliser les petits montants. Parce qu'imaginez-vous que ce montant était peut-être 6 500 ou 65 000. Ça serait beaucoup pour moi. Mais comme c'est $65, c'est pas grand-chose. C'est bon. Ça ne peut pas tellement menacer ma poche. Surtout parce que nous apprenons encore. Donc, c'est pour ces raisons que nous vous encourageons aussi à apprendre avec les petites sommes. Et nous voyons que la moyenne journalière ou bien mensuelle de mes trades, je suis à la moyenne 51,24%. Ce qui n'est pas mal. Je dis à la moyenne. Voilà. Aussi, la moyenne journalière de trade, je suis à plus de 50%, qui est plus de 60%, 60,87. Très bien aussi. Pas très bien, bon, bien. Et quand nous voyons le calendrier des trades que j'ai perdu le mois de mai, nous voyons que nous avons environ 14 jours. Donc, j'ai eu raison au marché. Mais j'ai perdu 9 jours. Voilà. Donc, ça veut dire que nous avons travaillé bien, assez bien sur le nombre de jours, mais la perte, le jour où j'ai perdu $88, c'est ce jour-là qui a vraiment bouleversé mon trading. Et ce n'est pas bien. Donc, nous devons faire les efforts de diminuer nos pertes. Et ça se vérifie du fait qu'il y a des moments où je prends beaucoup de shares et certains moments, je ne prends pas. Voilà. Donc, c'est ça. Nous allons essayer d'améliorer nos trades. Et comme je disais, ici, le rapport montre aussi ce que nous avons pu faire. Nous voyons que nous sommes à la descente, ici. Là. Je suis venu, je suis resté vers le bas. Donc, nous avons à travailler, continuer à travailler. Nous devons travailler sur nos pertes, comment réduire nos pertes. Et ça va beaucoup aider notre façon de trade. Voilà, cher trader. Ça va beaucoup aider notre façon de trade. Voilà. Nous allons progresser et avec le temps, nous verrons ce que nos trades, nos progrès montreront, chers traders. Le trading n'est pas facile, comme nous voyons là. Le trading n'est pas facile. Ça, ce sont les trades que j'ai pu prendre là où j'ai beaucoup perdu, comme vous voyez. Voilà. Et si nous regardons le nombre de jours, voilà, le nombre de jours dont j'ai pu excéder, nous n'avons pas tellement du temps pour pouvoir entrer en profondeur chez Trader, mais néanmoins, nous pouvons seulement dire que nous avons beaucoup de travail à faire. Nous devons réduire nos positions, en fait, nos pertes, et essayer un peu d'améliorer sur ce que nous allons, voilà, quand nous avons le gain, nous essayons un peu d'arrêter, c'est un peu plus à longtemps, mais les pertes, nous les pouvons plus rapidement. Voilà, c'est ça un peu la récapitulation du mois. Voilà, du mois. So, trader, also our weekly recap here. We can talk about it also, our weekly recap from last Saturday till today. I can do our weekly recap. This is what we lost last week, trader. We have $10 lost last week, and this is our curve. We went up and we start coming down, trader. So, and you can also see that my accuracy went down last week for a 4.9, and I have just daily win of 50%, which is not good, but not too bad, but average is there. We have to work on it. You see that my second day was here, I lost here, and I came in now, I lost again on the 2 other days. I lost on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So that was the recap. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Wednesday I lost, and Thursday also. So that was for the week of the last week, trader. You can see my curve here last week. So the result wasn't quite good, but we need to work on it, trader. So today we're going to start with a new month, the month of June, trader. The month of June, we started today. We are going to move forward and see, work on it, trader. So let's see. Let's go to our daily chart here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to our daily chart. And from our daily chart, we see what the market have done so far. We see that our market dipped down and it came back up. As you see, we have a move down and the market now is trying to climb up, trader. So what can, and we are on the downtrend here. This is the downtrend, as you can see here. Market now went down on the downtrend. Now it's trying to come out here, which is good. But we are going to see what the market will do today. But we shouldn't forget, we used to have this. But at the end, the market now turned back down. So I'm trying to look in here in my other stuff. I forgot to open our chat room, Twitter. I'm going to do that right now. Sorry for those who are on the chat room. I'm connecting our chat room right now for those who are connected to the chat room. So sorry about that. Let's now move forward and here we have a gap down, and now we are in green. Okay, so let's now we already see our, I know it's too crowded here, trader. I used to say that I gotta take my crowd out, but take those lines out. Gotta remove them. Sorry about that, too much crowdy. It's because when I place my horizontal line, when the market is there, then when the market move from that area, I place the new one. Donc je disais que notre trade, on fait un bond vers le bas et c'est en train de remonter vers le haut. Comme nous voyons, nous sommes au vert. Nous allons regarder maintenant notre trade sur 4 heures. 4 heures sont montés, comme vous voyez, chez trader, sont montés, ils sont sur la résistance. Et nous allons regarder nos trades aujourd'hui. Je vais regarder mes trades vers le haut, vers la descente, je vous l'ai dit. Comme ça a déjà commencé sur US Japanese. Donc, je vais regarder mes trades vers la descente aujourd'hui. Voilà. C'est ça parce que nous sommes revenus vers le haut, vers la résistance. Là, je vais regarder maintenant vers le bas. So, this is our 4 hours, ladies and gentlemen. Trader, this is our 4 hours. These are 4 hours. So you can see here, I need now to go to our 5 minutes because our 4 hours show that we are on the resistance here. We are on the resistance side at that level. My support are here, and the resistance on the resistance there. So let me now go to our 5 minutes here. We're experiencing high and high low. Trader. And we see that we have a gap down, and our trade came down and retest. You know, and close the gap. I mean, our trade came down and closed the gap. As you can see, we close the gap here. Almost. So we don't know where our trade going to head now. Let's wait and see. Soon we're gonna hit 7 p.m. Eastern time. Donc, comme je disais, notre trade a fait un bond vers le bas et nous avons eu un pont ici. Le pont a été fermé. Donc, comme je vous l'ai dit, une ouverture, un gouffre entre les deux et ça a été fermé. Maintenant, nous sommes déjà presque à la hauteur, donc à la résistance. Donc, nous espérons que nos trades vont maintenant rentrer vers le bas pour rejoindre maintenant là où nos trades ont commencé. parce que généralement, c'est comme ça qu'ils ont l'habitude de faire. Mais néanmoins, nous allons garder notre œil ici et observer nos trades. We need to be patient and wait and check our trade here. So let's see. Almost, it's already 7 past here, Eastern time. Here. Going below our 20. Sell Japanese. We're below our 20 here. US Japanese already down. We're still waiting the market, brother. Dude, I'm trying to get used of my new chair here. Trying to put it in my, readjust my size. Because the new chair, I need to make sure that it's matching me very well, my size and everything. And the chair have a vibration, so it's good. Because I'm staying here for a long time, so I need something comfortable. Nice. So I'm waiting here to see what the market is doing, which is important. And US Japanese are already down. US Japanese, as you can see, US Japanese already going down on the support, and the other one still up. Australia Japanese up. So we need to be careful, brother. Need to wait. Let's see if Japan is going to break. And Canadian here already break the 20, which is good. Let's see. Australia Japanese want Australia Japanese to come down. We expect Usai Japanese down. We expect US Japanese also breaking the support for the continuation down. So want to see our trade keep coming down. I could have entered the trade at this point here and placed my stop at this level, trader here and here as well. But I want to see your Japanese breaking here as well. Because if you were Japanese reverse here, you know, it might drag a lot of trade up. That is why I need to be careful. Sorry, trader. We're Japanese, reversing. For those who just tune in, we done a monthly recap, you know, for the month of May. Now we're in June the 1st. So we started a new month today. So for those who wasn't here, you can, you know, watch the recap later and see what we have done so far and what we have to improve. So let's now see our trade now. I'll see if I see the trade. Sorry, if I see the trade going a little bit up like US Japanese. It's a little bit tricky to know the direction of the market right now. It's very difficult to determine, but we need to be patient. US Japanese is doing great. But we don't really know exactly where this trade will head. I need to stay away at this time, especially because Osaka Japanese is on the support. I mean resistance, on the big resistance, the resistance of last week. So we need to be careful. Our trade might keep going down. What we can say overall is that we're improving the quality of our trade. We made a lot of mistakes this time again, but we hope that one day we'll correct. It won't be perfect. There is no day we're going to trade without any kind of mistake, but there got to be a day where we're going to reduce our mistakes. We won't make a lot of mistakes anymore, especially basic mistakes. So that is what we have to get rid of. Basic mistakes. There's no trader in the world who doesn't make mistakes, but even though you make a mistake, it shouldn't be a basic one. So let's see. We're moving up with South Japanese. I'm trying to see here at this point. Not ready yet. Here. See waiting. Wait, I'm still watching here. No trade yet. I want our trade to move certain direction. Show me the direction. It tried to go up. Now it's now coming back down. So let's see. Let's see. I hope you guys are hearing me very well now with our new microphone. So hopefully we won't have problem of going back down again. Volume is still coming down, reducing, so that our volume went down again. Volume went down. It's still doing what it was doing before. Still doing this. Let me disconnect here. Let me remove this one. I will see maybe if this stuff doing this. I don't know, maybe something is wrong with my computer. Yep. I don't know if something wrong with my computer. Because the volume keep going down like the other one. I don't know. So there was nothing wrong with my my other microphone. You gotta be with my computer. Yep. My computer has that problem. It's not my microphone. Maybe this one does the same. Volume start coming down. All right. So I'm trying to see here. Our trade are trying to come down. Traders. Trying to see if I can go short here. So if I go short here, I place my stop at both this guy here. Placing my stop here, trader. So I took one trade at this time for the short. For Japanese. So I gotta wait and see. Just took one trade at this time for the short trader. For Japanese, I need to see the other guys. The reason I'm taking Osai Japanese is because it's on the almost on the high. So here is good also for GBP, but GBP didn't close the gap properly. I gotta wait. I just try one at this time. I wait for the other one. Yeah. Let's wait and see. That's for one. So for those that tune in, we encourage you guys to subscribe to our channel and like our video, ladies and gentlemen. You know, in order to support our channel. Every day we here, Sunday to Thursday, 7 p.m. as you can see, learning how to trade. If you're new here, you're welcome. So our channel is bilingual, English, both English and French here. So today is the first, and for those who just tune in, we had a recap for the month of May. And if you wasn't here, you will maybe consider checking it at the end of our live. So, because we're here to learn how to trade. I just went short for one. We update our microphone, but we're still having problem here with our computer. I don't know why my volume keep going down. I don't know if the troubleshooting or what, tried to solve it, but it didn't. So let's see. Coming down. I see holding here. We're watching here. See, also Japanese want to go up. See our trade trying to go up. Just took one trade at this time, trader. If we break up, we fine. Just test the water with one trade. We're approaching 8. GBP trying to go up. Want to see? We see how Japanese is trying to break, go to new high. So we're just here in one trade, trader, nothing major. Today is the 1st, June the 1st. So we need to be more careful. Our objective now, goal is to reduce our losses much as we can. and maximize our gain, you know. So that is our goal, because when we look at our performance last month, we see that we had more winning days than losing one, and the problem is that even though we have more winning days than losing one, but we are down. Why? Because we allow ourselves having big losses. So we need to reduce that. So I'm reading here online how people are complaining about window 11 volume lowering itself. So I'm not the only one have this problem. When you look at my volume here, when I'm speaking, the volume keep lowering. As you can see there, the volume keep going down, from 100, keep going down, as you can see. So I read here online, it's happening to many people because this is a window 11. So many people are facing this problem, trader. I'm not the only one, and they're complaining about it. So how to solve it? That is what I have to think about. All right, I'm going short here, trader. I'm going short here. I'm going short here as well. Going short here as well. I want to see Australia breaking. US Japanese breaking. Placing my stop above. So I'm not the only person facing this problem, trader. I want to see US Japanese coming down. I'm going short here as well. Placing my stop above. Trader. I'm going US Japanese now. Hopefully, we'll see a break. So I'm on the short trader. Hopefully, we'll see a rejection. So lowering volume, I'm not the only one having it in window 11. Many people face that same problem, and they're saying that it's annoying that you're speaking and the volume keep going down, lowering. The system lower the volume. We saw a rejection. So rejection on our trade here. So rejection. Hopefully we'll keep going down. And our target gotta be here at a lower. Want to see our trade coming lower here. You're watching. We saw a rejection. Watching. Trade I'm in. 6 trade for short. We saw rejection here. Our trade moving up, back up. Going down with Australian Japanese. Want to see our trade coming back down. I'm in for trade for short. Nice. Coming down. Trade, I bought another microphone. I thought the problem was a microphone, but it's not. It's a window 11 here, according to my problem with the volume. I'm not the only one complaining about that. So, gotta find out. chers traders, nous sommes toujours dans le trade. Nous sommes toujours dans 6 trades sur la descente. Nous approchons déjà in 1 minute, less than a minute. We're going to get at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, trader. I need to wait here and see which direction we're going to take right now. Trader, I don't know if we're going to break or move up. So let me see here. If we move up, I will get out of my trade. Now it's 8 p.m. trader. Let's see where our trade are heading. Maybe we're going to have a flush or pull back. I don't know. I'm ready to bail out in case. So let's see the direction of our trade now. Trader. Look like we're holding here. We're holding. So I'm out of my trade here because it looked like we holding. So I went out with a small profit. I wait to see the direction of the market. Maybe I was wrong, but let's see. Maybe I was wrong. Anyway, already out of the trade with just a small profit I took. But let me see. Keep going down. I may consider re-entering the trade, especially if US Japanese keep coming down here. So let's see. US Japanese coming down. US Japanese decided to come down, trader. I'm re-entering my trade here. I see. Maybe when I see going down, I try for the 2. My stop gotta be here. I went back in, trader. Don't get me wrong, it happened. You know, you may get out of the trade and find out that, you know, maybe the trade was taking a direction might enter. It's not bad to do that because it was holding. I thought it's breaking. I mean, it's holding. Let me see these guys as well. So I'm trying to see also on Australia Japanese. Place my stop there. Look like we'll see keep going down as well. Let's see. I'm going short these guys as well. Let's see. Now 5 trade. See pull back here. Approaching my stop on GBP. We'll start pulling back up. So sorry, pulling back up with the speed. Let's see. US is coming down, which is great. Want to see the other trade turning red. We are pulling back up. One kicking us out. I'm out of GBP. Trader. Look like our trade are moving up. Okay, I'm out of my trade. Taking a loss here. Trader. We're moving up. So took a lot there, small loss. Moving up here. I'm above here. I want to take a small long here, but I have a lot of spread. A lot of spread here. This is my stop just here below. Got to move up for Australia. I stop in there close. Close my stop. Just one trade. Just trying to see if Australia may go to retest the top. Out of Australia, coming instead down. So trader will have to wait and see. Gotta wait. See the right direction. Our trade was going up. My stop was just too close to Australia Japanese. My trade was nice. Enter again. I'm gonna get to this level just a little bit. I'm trying to see if I can also enter US Japanese here for the long. Placing my stop here below. Trader. And also Canadian. So these guys here, I don't know. I'm getting in at these guys as well. This one, I place my stop here. Just close. I don't know if GBP gonna break. I'm not sure. If it break, I will get join the party here. I'm not sure. GBP is good. I'm getting to GBP here. Get to GBP for long. Let's see. Looks this trade now for long. Long trade. Sorry, pull back. Hopefully we'll see a continuation up. So that's doing great. You see Australia are pulling back. I don't know if the here we're gonna have a pullback that we're having right now. Now good to see. Trader. Now good to see what we see now, trader. I'm still holding. Out of GBP again. Again also. Now good. Took another loss. So now good, traders. I was supposed to get out of the trade at this level when it came here. And I was supposed to get out when the trade just break here a little bit when it came here on top, but I was a little bit distracted, you know, but it's okay. No, it's okay. I lost here 3 times. So if I have to trade, I have to change my account. I have to take a small break. Real ladies and gentlemen, we're here again. You can see that our trade went down back and it's trying to pull back here in Australia. Japanese is doing what we're supposed to do, what we're expecting him to do before. So let's see. Let's keep watching trader and we see where Australia going to do. On est en train d'observer Australie Japanese. On va voir ce qu'il va faire tout à l'heure. So, on va observer. So, we are here watching. Let's see. Maybe Osai Japanese gonna break. I'm not sure. Want to remind our listener or those who watch our video that we're here to learn how to trade. You know, we're here to learn how to trade. This is the trading channel. You know, the trading channel. We're here to learn how to trade, nothing else. So if someone want to contact us, can contact us. You can write on our chat and, you know, ask questions. That is what we're here to do. So everybody, someone who need to learn how to trade, you can join our chat for free or our channel for free. I mean, because this is a trading channel. We're here to help traders and to interact with them, interact with traders. So let's watch and see. Try Japanese. Je disais que notre chaîne est typiquement pour le trading. Ceux qui veulent apprendre à trade, comme moi, je suis encore en train d'apprendre. Donc c'est uniquement pour le trading ici. C'est tout ce que nous faisons ici, bien d'autres. Donc si vous êtes intéressé au trading, vous pouvez nous joindre. Voilà, nous serons là pour répondre à vos questions. Pour le trading, nous ne sommes pas les docteurs, nous ne sommes pas les médecins, nous ne sommes pas les footballeurs, on ne connaît rien de ça. Donc, si vous nous posez une question en football, peut-être je ne saurais pas grand-chose, c'est ça, ou autre chose. Donc, nous respectons tout le monde et nous voulons que toute personne qui vient dans notre chaîne puisse aussi la respecter. C'est ça. Donc, ce que je peux dire ici. So we will like people to respect our channel because we respect people also. We are public here and we trade publicly. We encourage everybody, people who want to learn, particularly who are interested on trading, they can come and meet us, you know, and join our channel for free. Talk about trading, asking questions. That is what we're here to do, traders. So we're checking now our trade. We're going, it looks like we're going up. Australia Japanese want to break. Let's see. Australia is breaking. I'm going long here, brother. Let's try Japanese to see if you can have it again. This might stop there. Let's see. I'm going also long here. This is my stop below. Took to trade only. Oh, took trade twice. That was a mistake. I don't want to do that. This is the trade I wanted to take for the long. I'm placing my stop here below. Going long here, trader. Let's watch and see. Took some trade for long. I'm going also long on US Japanese here. Also here GBP. Took a long position, trader. Want to see our trade going up. Nice move, trader. For a long position. Good move here. So doing great. Nice. Nice move. Sorry, Japanese here. I want to see another push up. Going back down. No good. See holding here, trader. See holding for a long. Putting back down. Now good to see. I'll take probably another loss here. I didn't take my profit, I was holding, expecting to move up, but it didn't. So 1-to-1, now good to see. So trader, I have to get out here. Not good. I left money on the table, but I have to take a loss now. So not good. Not good. Not good, trader. So our trade doesn't, move to one side. Sorry. Sorry, I came back. I didn't stop my rotation message here. Sorry about that. I don't want to take another trade here after placing 4 consecutive trade and round of trade, and losing them. So I gotta accept it. Today it's not a good one. That is the June the 1st. I remember May the 1st, it was a good day. I was green, but June the 1st, I'm red. I'm red. Trader, I don't want to keep taking trade and losing. So I prefer to stop like this for today. And we'll be here again tomorrow, traders. Today things are not working. I try to give a little bit profit, but I didn't take it because I was expecting the stock to trade to hit my target, but it didn't. So I prefer to stop here at this point. Cher trader, je vais m'arrêter ici parce que j'ai perdu 4 fois successivement. 4 tours. Donc, je ne veux plus continuer à prendre le trade. C'est pas bon aujourd'hui. Donc, nous allons revenir ici demain, encore, à la même heure. Voilà. Ça a été un plaisir pour moi de trader aujourd'hui, malgré que les choses n'ont pas marché. Donc, je préfère m'arrêter à ce niveau au lieu de continuer à donner l'argent au marché. Donc, c'est bien comme ça. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été le nôtre. Et demain, nous allons nous revoir à la même heure. Voilà. 19h, temps de New York. Thank you, trader. We'll see you tomorrow again. Same time. 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye.